Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I'm going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 10, 2023, 4-star Sudoku. Second row and fourth row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. Column B, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. 9 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Second grid, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. Column F, we have 8. So it can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then first grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in any one of these cells. We will confirm later. 8th row and 10th row, we have 8. So it can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. 4th grid and 7th grid, 10th row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column B, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 7. 6th row, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Then only one number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. 1 and 3 will confirm later. Column D, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. 8th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then column C, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 9, 2. 4th grid, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. Then 9 is confirmed here. Then first grid, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then column D, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then we can confirm 3 also here. Then 7th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column H, column I, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grid, we have 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. Column F, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. The 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. Column I, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. The 9th grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 4. 8th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Then 8th row, only one number is remaining, 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Third grid, we have 5 and 7. So 5 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Then column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column F, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then second grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column J and second row, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then third grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2. Column H, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Second row, we have 2. So 2 can't come in this cell. 2 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Second row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Second row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. It will come in one of these cells. It will confirm later. Then column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in one of these cells. We will confirm later. Column E, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 7, 8. Sixth row, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come this cell. It will come in one of these cells. We'll confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 8. 8 is confirmed here. Then sixth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fifth row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. In fifth row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then sixth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 9 and 6. Column G, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 5. Seventh row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Seventh row, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Seventh row, we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Seventh row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then fifth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. Fifth row, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.